Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am sharing a new video where I will create a new layout in my 6x8 life crafted album by Citrus Twist Kits, and I'm using the brand new Sunshine mini kit also by Citrus Twist Kits. So I will leave you a link to the unboxing video, to my unboxing video that I shared yesterday. I was inspired by the hard puffy stickers on the sheet on the left top left side. You can see it there. And I decided to create a layout with 4 colored blocks, like vertical blocks. And these colors were inspired by the 4 puffy hearts with a little word on them. So I also used one of the 4x6 journaling cards that are available in the printable form in the shop, and I used them to basically ground all the elements that I will be adding in these 4 blocks. So I didn't have a orange one, but I used I think a pink one instead, and it worked fine. So here I'm ruffling the stripes a little bit. So these stripes, they are very, very subtle, but there is the color that I need, and there are some really small dots. You can see it here. And I used the sewing machine to stitch over them, and I will also use the hanging threads later. So now I'm adding the puffy hearts in the order that I wanted them to be, and I am going to also use the 4 tags that were a part of the mini kit. So there are four tags. I will use them to as a layer basically, and I will also use 4 of the little labels. These were a part of the cut apart printable, the cut apart elements printable, also available in the shop. I will only use them as a pop of color. So I did some pre-work, some preparation, and I selected all the elements in these 4 colors that I thought I could use on my layout. So I'm scraping 3 photos of me and my son. We were by the lake, and we were having some sweet goodies, some ice cream and popsicles, and enjoying fun in the sun. And I will use the 3 spots for my photos, and the fourth one for the title. And for the title, I'm gonna use this beautiful yellow tiny alphabet, puffy alphabet, and I will say UR. And below that, there is a die cut that says the sweetest thing. So this is going to be my title. And of course, I had to use the Coke bottle and the ice cream die cut from the ephemera that is available in the kit. And I will use the yellow label, the circle label, to ground these to this block, the yellow block. Okay, here are the beautiful chipboard stickers from the Sunshine mini kit. I will use this blue chipboard that says Lakeside. It will not stay there. I will move it. It will go to the bottom of my photo, and I believe I will use some more of these chipboard stickers. This one says like, and there's a little heart on it. And I will also use this teal or turquoise puffy sticker. It says something about sunshine. I'm not sure what exactly now. This one will not make it on my layout. I just couldn't make it work. This one either. But I'm trying. There are so many beautiful icons, phrases, the colors are just divine. I just love it. These are so perfect for any summer related layout. So that puffy sticker that I just added to my orange section says fun in the sun. And now I'm going to add a bunch more of these puffy hearts, because why not? They look so cool. I just love them. So I'm trying to add these pops of color, and in the end, when I adhere everything here, you can see it adhered already. I added a couple more puffy hearts at the bottom of my layout. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my layout. Here will come the still shots for you, and hope you have a wonderful day, and see you in some of my next videos. Have a great day. Bye.